The flowers are in full bloom on the first day of meteorological spring in South Africa. It's a little bit cloudy and cool over western South Africa with mainly light rain in the morning, but a blooming, beautiful day for the rest of the country. So here's your first day of spring forecast. A cloudy, cold and windy start to spring for the southern areas of South Africa. Behind a cold front, it is going to be a cool to cold afternoon, and also the onshore flow pushing in light showers later for parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but warming up nicely over the northeastern areas. We can see that fresh to strong west to southwesterly winds spreading along the coast of South Africa throughout Friday, and then later becoming windy in northwest Gauteng as well as the Free State. Only very isolated and mainly morning light showers possible in parts of the Western Cape, the Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape. And then from late afternoon, that onshore southwesterly wind will push in some light showers for parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It is going to be a mostly cloudy and cold first day of meteorological spring for the Western Cape, with only a high of 15 degrees in Cape Town as well as Worcester and Laingsburg. Early the morning, very light showers likely in parts of the Boerlands. An icy cold westerly wind blowing in the Garden Routes on Friday. It's a partly cloudy and also cold day with maximum temperatures battling to reach 15 degrees. Lots of cloud expected in the Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape. Very isolated morning light showers. A cold afternoon with 14 in Bishu, Khumani as well as Kua. An icy cold southwesterly wind blowing between East London and Port St John's into the late afternoon, pushing in some light rain for the Wild Coast. Also cloudy conditions later for KwaZulu-Natal, and into the late afternoon, showers moving in from the west, but remaining hot over the northern areas. It's going to feel more like a summer instead of spring in the low veld of Mpumalanga on Friday afternoon, with maximum temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s in parts of the Kruger National Park, soaring to 36 degrees the afternoon in Phalaborwa. Lots of sunshine and hot over the entire Limpopo province. And then in northwest, also lots of sunshine, warming up the afternoon, and the wind also picking up. And due to the hot, dry and windy conditions, the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. In the Northern Cape, the complete opposite. It's a cool to cold day, especially over the southern areas, and a mix of high and mid-level cloud moving over the central as well as the eastern areas. Temperatures around 20 degrees. Partly cloudy skies later for the western areas of the Free State, with a northwesterly wind blowing in the east and the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. The afternoon, I have 25 on Spring Day for Johannesburg, a sunny and lovely 28 degrees on the first day of spring for Pretoria, but the wind picking up the afternoon, blowing fresh and northwesterly over the Highveld. Here's your weekend weather forecast on Saturday. The next cold front bringing more rain for Cape Town, remaining cool to cold over the southwestern areas of South Africa, and still lots of sunshine and becoming warm to very warm over the northeastern areas. On Sunday, we've got an onshore flow pushing in more light rain later for Cape Town. It's a mostly cloudy day, chilly to cold conditions for the Cape provinces, and finally warmer weather returning to Richards Bay, reaching a high of 30 degrees as well as in Mbombela, and lots of sunshine expected in northwest as well as Gauteng and Limpopo. Well, that's all from me. Have a blooming spring day.